Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix FIFA mobile application stuck on loading screen error. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to use the FIFA mobile application on your device, but it simply doesn't open up and it's stuck on loading screen, then there are a few ways to fix this issue. The first thing that causes this error is an unstable or shut off internet connection. So make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or data connection on your device first, and then check by reopening the application once again. If this doesn't work, then the second thing to do is to check for updates. Open up the iOS App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your device, and search for the FIFA application. Once you find the application, if you see an update button instead of open, then go ahead and tap on update to start installing the latest updates. Once the update is done, you will see the open button once again, so tap on it and see if your issue is fixed. If this still doesn't fix your issue, then one final thing to try is to long press on the FIFA mobile application and tap on the info button. From the info page, scroll down and tap on force stop at the bottom right corner first to stop the application. Then go into the storage menu and tap on clear data at the bottom left corner. Now from this page, you can directly tap on delete within the clear data menu, and then all of your user data will be deleted. After this step is done, open up the FIFA application once again and all of your user data will be removed and you will be asked to re-log in to your account. But after this step, your application will start working just fine. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix the FIFA mobile application stuck on a loading screen error. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.